Greetings to all. My name is Paul John, and this is my e-record for the fifth experiment in the object-oriented programming in C++. Now, this is my fifth exercise, first subdivision, and the exercise is related to arrays and string. The first subdivision, in that I have been given a program with the aim to create a class which has which is used to calculate the sum, difference, and the product of two matrices, that's two-dimensional arrays. Now, without further delay, let's move on to the code I've created for the executing the program. This is the header file that I've declared, and then this is the class matrix with private data members, two arrays, A and B, and these are the size, that's row size and column size of each matrix. And then in public I've created functions, member functions. That's first one's compatibility check, which checks whether the two matrices entered by the user is compatible for addition, subtraction, or multiplication. And then the second one, that's the get data function, which asks the user to enter the size of first and second matrix, and then it sends that value to compatibility, and then if it's compatible for all three, that's addition, subtraction, and multiplication, then it uses a necessary for loop and asks the user to enter the matrix, and then it asks the user to enter the matrix. And then the void put data, that's the next function. In void put data, it displays the matrices, and it not only does that, but also it calls the functions add, sub, and multi. As the name suggests, these functions add and subtract and multiply the user entered matrix. Now, the first function, void add, in that the formula is simple. C of ij is equal to A of ij plus B of ij. Now, for that I used two for loops, one ranging from I equal to 0 to I less than r1, and j equal to 0 to j less than 0, and a backslash in after the inner for loop creates the matrix format in the display. And then the void sub, it uses two for loops of same range as I mentioned above, and then it uses C of ij is equal to A of ij minus B of ij. And multiplication in this case is a bit different because it uses three loops, one ranging from I equal to 0 to I less than r1, another from j equal to 0 to j less than c2, and k ranging from k equal to 0 to k less than k r2. Now, the formula for this multiplication of the matrix is d of ij is equal to d of ij plus A of ik into b of kj. And then I again display the multiplied matrix, and that's the end of the function. Now let's move on to the main function. In the main function, I used while loop to ask the user whether he wants to continue, and then I create an object of matrix m, and then I call m.getData function to get the data, m.putData to display. Inside m.putData, the other functions, that's add, sub, and multi, is called, and then the user is asked whether he wants to continue, and based on the choice, the program goes on or it gets cut off. Now that's the end of my code. Now let's check whether it works. Okay, the compiler is asking me to enter the row and column size of matrix 1. Let's give a 2 by 2 matrix. Again, the second one, let's give something else, 1 cross 3. Now, this is invalid for addition and subtraction, and they're valid matrices. so it didn't work. Let me try running it again. Enter row and column of size matrix 1. Now let's give some valid matrices. That's square matrices. Let it be 2 and sorry, I kind of messed up. Let me kind of run it again. Let's see, 2, 2 and 2 and it's like okay, addition and subtraction is possible, multiplication is possible. Now enter first matrix. Let's give 1, 1, 2 and 2. Matrix 2, let it be 1, 1, 0 and 2. Addition is 1, 1, 2, 2. That's first matrix. In the second matrix, then addition is 2, 2, 2, 4, and then difference is 0, 0, 2, 0, and the product is 1, 3, 2, 6, and hence all my modules work perfectly. That's the end of it. Thank you all for watching. See you again soon. That's the end of my record. This is Paul signing off. Bye.